Alright, we're at AMS Ducati and got my 2025 Panigale V4S. It's got the Akrapovic stubborn exhaust and my buddy Raghav is going to help me unload.
You just broke the law in several states.
Apparently California requires you to inform the DMV and all kinds of stuff.
They won't. No dealer in California will install an aftermarket exhaust. They gave up. They won't even do it anymore. Buddy of mine I served with had a Super Sport, and he wanted the high mount exhaust, and no one in California would install it for him.
Wow.
So he said, "Fuck it, I'll just go to Nevada." He goes to Nevada. They say, "Let me see your driver's license." He hands him his California driver's license. They're, "Nope, I'm not putting that on there for you."
Oh wow. Alright, the Ducati Upmap has been installed. You can make out because it says Evo, and that Evo sign is a sign that it's a Ducati Upmap. I think it's called the Ducati Performance Map. Let's give it a start and see what it sounds like.